Well, the weekend is upon us. Sometimes that means rest and recreation, but I think it just means shivering and digging out. We've got a lot of winter yet to go here in January, but it's already been quite eventful, you know that. Let's look at January snowfall. The average is 12.5 inches for the month. Way above average. So far, 29.2 and 29.6 is the record for the snowiest January ever recorded since all the way back to 1880. In Detroit. That was 1978. So we will likely beat that, actually likely crush that, because we have good opportunities for snow tonight, into tomorrow morning, and again on Sunday. How about the coldest January now? If you look at that, 1977, that's in a lot of people's lifetime here. 12.8 was the average temperature for January. That ranks as the coldest ever in Detroit. If we take where we have been so far for this year, and we look ahead at our forecast and work that all in, it's estimated that we'll end up in 5th place. So yes, it's been very, very snowy, and it's been very cold as well. So much so that we'll put those two together tonight. A winter weather advisory from 7 p.m. to 10 a.m. on Saturday morning. Looking for 1 to 3 inches of snow widespread across the area. They'll be blowing and drifting too, because the winds will stay up. The wind chill advisory has been canceled, but look for wind chill values to stay still around 10 below zero. That is no picnic either. Here's a look at the future cast now. You can see the widespread snow coming in this evening and tonight as well. By about 8, 9 o'clock or so, most of that is starting to move out on Saturday. And then it looks like there could be a little spit or spat after that. But Sunday, another system moving in, this time from the west and northwest, and that one should be widespread across the region as well. Your forecast tonight, this is kind of weird because temperatures actually come up through the evening and overnight. 19-ish, somewhere in there around midnight. We actually could get to the low 20s in some spots overnight, and then temperatures start to fall again through the day on Saturday. More snow again. That 1 to 3 total is this evening and tonight combined. Southwest winds at 20 to 30. The winds turn to the northwest tomorrow at 15 to 25. That keeps it feeling very, very cold. And the high will be in the low 20s likely in the middle of the night, but the daytime temperatures, middle of the day, around 16 as the cold air starts to pour back in here. And when I talk about that, look what happens by Sunday morning, back down to 0. 17 for a high. That's the second storm system coming in. And then 6 below Tuesday, 8 below Wednesday, and 3 below on Thursday. Friday is the last day of January, but February, at least the start of it, looks about as cold. Whatever you're doing, be safe and stay warm.